Ever thought your dinner needed a bit more challenge? Brace yourself for a journey through the bizarre and cringe-worthy annals of culinary history. From toe-infused cocktails to maggot-filled cheeses, these strange historical foods would make even the most adventurous eaters raise an eyebrow or lose their lunch. Get ready to cringe and chuckle as we explore these delights from the past. Number 1. The Sourtoe Cocktail, a totally weird drink. Picture this. You walk into a bar in the Yukon, Canada, and they offer you a cocktail with a human toe in it. Yes, a real mummified toe. It's called the Sourtoe Cocktail, and the rule is simple. You can drink it fast, you can drink it slow, but your lips must touch the toe. Imagine explaining that to your friends. Oh, it's just a toe nick for my adventurous spirit. Number 2. Casu Marzu, the maggot-infested cheese. Say cheese, and then try not to cringe. In Sardinia, Italy, they have Casu Marzu, a cheese that takes fermentation to a whole new level. It's not aged, it's infested. Live insect larvae munch their way through the cheese, creating a gooey, maggot-filled delight. You might want to bring your own crackers to distract you from the extra protein. Number 3. Century egg, a not-so-egg-citing delicacy. Ever wished your eggs tasted more like a science experiment gone wrong? Enter the century egg, a Chinese delicacy where eggs are preserved for several weeks or months, turning the whites translucent and the yolk a lovely shade of gray. It's like a time capsule for your taste buds, taking them on a journey to the Jurassic period of questionable edibles. Number 4. Hákarl, fermented shark from Iceland. Icelanders have a saying, "Theta red est," which roughly translates to "it will all work out," but will it really when faced with Hákarl? This Icelandic dish features fermented shark meat, a process that involves burying the shark in the ground for several months. The result? A smell that can make a skunk reconsider its career choices. Brave souls beware. It's like eating a fishy punch in the face. Number 5. Balut, duck embryo delight. Cracking open an egg for breakfast is one thing, but in the Philippines they take it up a notch with balut. What's inside? A partially developed duck embryo? Yep, you heard that right. It's a culinary adventure that might make your stomach do somersaults, but hey, some people swear by it as the ultimate comfort food. Quack your way through it, and you might just discover a new delicacy. Number 6. Haggis, the Scottish surprise package. Ah, Scotland, land of bagpipes, kilts, and the infamous haggis. Imagine a dish that's essentially a sheep's stomach stuffed with its own heart, liver, and lungs mixed with oatmeal and spices. It's like a culinary Russian doll. Layers upon layers of sheepy goodness. Brave enough to try it? Just remember, in the world of haggis, it's what's on the inside that counts. Number 7. Surströmming, Sweden's stink bomb. If you thought regular canned fish had an aroma, get ready for surströmming, the Swedish fermented herring that puts the fragrance in pungent. Opening a can is not for the faint of heart. The smell is so intense that it's been known to clear entire rooms. It's like the superhero of fish dishes, only instead of saving the day, it makes you question your life choices. Number 8. Garum, the fishy elixir of ancient Rome. Step aside, ketchup. In ancient Rome, they had a condiment that would make even the bravest taste buds cringe. Garum. Picture this. Fermented fish guts left out in the sun until they became a sauce. Romans poured this concoction on everything from meat to veggies, turning their meals into a fishy fiesta. Move over, ranch dressing. Garum was the OG flavor enhancer of its time. From toes and cocktails to maggot-infested cheeses, these strange historical foods prove that sometimes the weirdest bites make for the most unforgettable stories. So the next time you cringe at the idea of a century egg or a fermented shark, just remember there's always someone somewhere savoring the quirky and the queasy.